Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix Facebook app keep crashing on iPhone. So how to fix this issue, Facebook keep crashing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have Facebook keep crashing on iPhone. You have forced the restart of your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution, you have update the app. So then you have open the app store, then you have search from here Facebook. So Facebook, then you have seen your iPhone screen is update available, so you have must be update the Facebook app on your iPhone. If there are second solution is not working, their third solution, you have disable low power mode. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on battery. I have already turned off low power mode, so then you have must be turned off low power mode. If there are third solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have offload and reinstall the app. So then you have open the setting and again click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have uh, click on Facebook and then you have click on offload and then reinstall from here. If there are fourth solution is not working, their fifth solution, you have force close the app, then you have when you have use and then click on home tab button double, then you have remove from here and then uh, again start the open the Facebook and then your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. Then you have again open the setting, click on general. So click on general, click on software update and iOS latest version available on your iPhone. So you must be installed on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.